Hey everyone, there is a very big milestone coming up on this channel. We are about to hit 1 million lifetime views. I'm extremely excited about that because it shows that this whole dying art of smocking and heirloom sewing and whatever else isn't really dying. People are still interested in it. They still want to learn about it, which is thrilling. So to celebrate this milestone, I have teamed up with Farmhouse and we are doing a giveaway. Farmhouse has sponsored a subscription to the Classic Sewing magazine for 2017, which is a quarterly magazine. So if you win the giveaway, you'll be getting 4 of those magazines, as well as I am putting together kind of a hodgepodge of sort of supplies and some patterns, as well as some books. So far, I'm still working on it, but so far it's got like an A to Z of Stumpwork and it's got some goodies in there. So it's going to be a good giveaway. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just thrilled that we're coming up on 1 million views. As far as like, you know, sort of more crafting channels and that sorts, like I don't really think that subscribers show the interest of the channel like the views do, because I think that my channel is very searchable. You know, like a lot of people just go on, they just want to know how to like attach lace to fabric and then they want to be done, which is completely fine. But so that's kind of why I judge more on the views than I do the subscribers. That being said, in order to win the giveaway, you do have to be a subscriber of my channel, and you also have to go over to the Farmhouse Fabrics Facebook page and like their Facebook page, okay? They are sponsoring, like I said, the Classic Sew magazine, and if you are new to my channel, they supply like all of the fabrics, all of the whatever you see in the videos, all the patterns and things like that. They're a great sponsor of mine for my materials, and I have been personally buying from them since 2009. They have the best customer service that I have found in the heirloom world. I cannot recommend them enough. So you've got to be a subscriber of mine and like Farmhouse Fabrics on Facebook, and then just comment below, you know, I don't know, just leave a little comment saying that you're interested, or maybe what part of the world you're from, or whatever. That will enter you into the contest, and when we hit 1 million subscribers, I will randomly draw from somebody. And that's about it. So thank you again. I am thrilled with the popularity of the channel, because like I said, it shows that the art is not dying, and there are many people that I get messages from who are of my generation. So this is not something for your grandmother only. This is something that the youngsters are interested in, and it is not dying, which is absolutely thrilling. So as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.